Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. Throughout the month of November, I actually had quite a few Dollar Tree hauls that went up. Unexpected, but it happens somehow. I don't know how they accumulated so quickly. So if you're into Dollar Tree hauls, you're definitely going to want to check out my Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below of all my Dollar Tree videos. So if you want to see what I picked up this time, just keep on watching. So let's do the more miscellaneous products first. First off, we have Be Pure here. We have their Cherry Blossom Body Spray and Body Cream gift set, which looks like so. I'm going to go ahead and just take it out of the packaging. This was so cute. So it does come with a little body cream, and we also get their body spray. So I haven't smelled these, so let's hope they smell good. Girl, this is so light. I could barely smell it. Okay, but there's a look at those. How cute is that little set? Looks like more miscellaneous product is this Minion lip balm. It has a little Christmas hat on it. How cute is this? I honestly, Minions are cute. I go to Universal a lot, so you guys know they have like Minions everywhere. So yeah, it's cute. They're, oh girl, the Santa hat got stuck in here. So Minions are like whatever, but look, it just comes with its own little hat. I just thought it was adorable. Look at how cute that is. And you guys know I love lip balm, so it smells like banana, like an artificial banana. Oh, this is gonna be way too cute to pass up on. So there's a look at that. Next thing we have is a hair product. This is the Barbie detangler, and it is cotton candy scented. So yet another product I could not pass up on. It is Barbie, it is pink, and it's detangler. I'm gonna always need for my hair, since I mean, after the shower, you need a detangler, girl, sometimes, especially because my hair is really thick. It's getting longer now, so really love everything about this product. Look at how cute they look, and it does say it smooths and untangles hair, so I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. I got this little set from Be Pure, and this is our face mask gift set. It comes with two different individual face masks. We have the vanilla latte one and the peppermint one as well. This is yet another product I'm not gonna gift. This is for myself. So again, there are two different sheet masks in here, and honestly, the ones from Be Pure that I've tried in the past have been okay, so that's why I purchased a little set. Before we move on, I also did find these two little gift set looking things. These are from Be Color. We have their mini lip stains, and then we have their tinted lip oils, which look so cute, and I'm honestly going to try to use these in a video. I don't want to take them out of here just yet because they don't have any type of like logo on them or anything, so I'm gonna forget what these are from or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep them in the box, but these are actually really cute as well. We have the Be Color freckle pen in dark brown. I saw that they had these, and honestly I'm not the biggest like freckle person because I have my own freckles that I cover up. You know, like, why am I gonna throw them on again? But I thought we'd try this out. It is a pink packaging, so I thought, girl, let's throw it in the cart, let's try it out. And it says it is a freckle pen. It creates natural looking freckles, and again in the shade dark brown. So we're gonna try this out maybe on TikTok and see what arises from this. I also did film these two. This was originally two different Dollar Tree hauls, but I just threw them in one big haul for you guys, so we don't have to, you know, do different parts. But over on my TikTok, I did already post these products, so if you don't follow me, you should, because I always post like very up-to-date product things and videos on there, so if you want to check that out. I have a Flower Beauty lipstick, which actually I can get into. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, look at how cute the packaging is. So this is the lipstick in the shade Dahlia Desire, and this is one of their creamy lipsticks. Oh, look at that shade. One of the shades that we can swatch. Oh, really nice and creamy, girl. I just have to smell it. Doesn't smell like anything, but cute, and it feels really nice and luxe and like high quality. Nice. Okay, let's start off with these two little like gifty looking products. We have the Read My Lips 2-pack lip gloss. These are rose scented, nourishing, and hydrating. Looks like that. They did have quite a few lip glosses at my Dollar Tree from this line, but honestly I don't need that many lip glosses. But again, these are cute if you want to throw them in a little gift basket or whatever for someone. These are really adorable. So we have the two glosses there, and we also have the You're the Balm Nourishing and Hydrating Lip Balm Duo, which looks like so. Again, you can put it into a little gift basket. So adorable. You guys know how much I use lip balms, so I went ahead and picked these two up. They're so cute. We also have two of their primers. So this is from Be Pure, and this is the Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer, and they're just such a beautiful shade of pink. I'm gonna give one to my sister, but I did purchase it twice. The first time around I purchased it when I saw it. The second time I thought I hadn't picked it up, so I picked it up again. So again, one of them is going to go to my sister, and one of them I'm going to try out here on YouTube, so definitely stick around, subscribe so you guys can watch that. This is literally the same shape as their foundation. Let me grab it. So there's a look at the foundation, and then there's the primer. Ooh, love. So I can definitely see why they changed the color of this. If they would have made it nude, people would have probably thought it was their foundation or something. So I do have their foundation in the shade medium, and you guys know how much I love this, so definitely had to pick up the primer. So Beauty Intuition has definitely come through and added many products at the Dollar Tree. We have 3 of their mascaras. Did I really need to pick up all 3? No. But we have their Beauty Intuition Big Plump Lashes Mascara. We have the Instant Plump and Curl, which is their orange packaged one. We have the Instant Length, which is the one in the purple packaging. And then we have the one in Instant Volume in the pink packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up so you guys can see how they look. Ooh, really love this packaging. It looks so cool. So there's the orange one. Let me go ahead and open it. There's a look at the wand. Let's go ahead and look at the purple one next. Yeah, they all have the same wand. So keep that in mind, which is interesting because usually mascaras tend to keep the same formula, and just kind of switch up the wand because each one does something different, but these all have the same wand. So I don't know. There's the pink one. Let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, they literally all have the same exact wand, so just keep that in mind if you're going to be shopping these. You definitely don't need to pick up all 3 like I did, but just pick the one that calls out to you the most. They definitely don't have any type of logo, so I don't even remember what each of them does. But girl, this packaging is everything. Love. They just look so cool, right? Love this. Went with the same kind of idea with the glosses. We have the Beauty Intuition Get Ready to Shine Smooth Application, Rich and Intense Color, Moisturizes and Hydrates Lip Gloss. We have the shade Hot Pink, Red Velvet, and the shade Mocha. Let's get in here and swatch them. When I originally picked these up, I thought they were liquid lipsticks, but they are lip glosses. All right, let's take a look at the Mocha one. Ooh. Okay, that was a really nice color. There's the shade Mocha. Let's go ahead and swatch Pink. Oh, they all smell like chocolate. It smells amazing. There's the pink one. The scent smells amazing. And then we have this red one. Oh, super pigmented. This one, okay, they almost look like liquid lipstick gloss kind of formulas because they are shiny, but they're extremely pigmented. I'm excited for this red one, girl. That looks so good. To be honest, the brand Make Me Up is not one of my favorite brands at the Dollar Tree. I don't even think I'm gonna open these. I'm just gonna give them away to someone. But these are the Make Me Up eyeshadow palettes. We have this like circled one. It comes with 10 eyeshadows in here, but again, I don't think I'm gonna use this, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these away. But I did pick them up because, you know, I don't know, I saw them that they were new. We have this quad here. I might keep this one, I don't know. And then we have this trio here, which again, I think I'm just going to give these away. If I do keep one, it might just be this one here, but I honestly don't need these little palettes, but I picked them up for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and pass these along to somebody who is going to love them and cherish them, where I'm not. So yeah, but they do have these available at the Dollar Tree. However, these palettes I'm definitely gonna get into. So these are from Beauty Intuition, and these are the eyeshadow palettes. This one here is in Moody Neutrals. We have the shade Rosy Nudes. They also did have one more, which is more on the colorful side, which I didn't pick up. And look at how cute these palettes are. It's been a while since Dollar Tree has added eyeshadow palettes. So again, this one's the eyeshadow palette in Rosy Nudes. Let's take a look at the actual shades in here. Very much like pastel-y, very light tones. It's going to be very interesting to use, but we do get 2 shades that are long, and then we have those 6 shades that are like just normal shades. So interesting. I think for sure the Moody Neutrals is definitely going to be the one that I vibe with the most and that I might use in a like Christmassy Dollar Tree video or something. But this is again the Moody Neutrals palette. Yes, this one definitely comes with more deeper neutral tones I can definitely vibe with. So that was it. Those were the last two products in this haul video. Let me know, have you found any of these products? Have you found any new products that I haven't mentioned? Are you loving these Dollar Tree videos? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, if you're into Dollar Tree, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of Dollar Tree content here on my channel. A lot of Shop Miss A, Temu videos, everything under the sun that's affordable is on my channel. Definitely stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.